Erected for the Roman Emperor Diocletian, this fascinating palace was built at the turn of the 4th century AD and is still used as the center of split Old Town to this day. The Dubrovnik city walls are one of the best preserved fortification systems of the Middle Ages. These walls run constantly for 1,940 meters, with 6 fortresses that encircle most of the city of Dubrovnik. If you're a fan of historical fortresses, stunning views, and hiking, a visit to this 15th century Venetian fortress needs to be on your must-do list. The fortizza is situated on a hilltop overlooking Omiš. Trogir is the best preserved Romanesque Gothic complex in all of Central Europe. UNESCO recognized its value in 1997 when the Roman town was listed as a World Heritage Site. As one of the most significant architectural achievements in Croatia, the Cathedral of St. James was included on the UNESCO Cultural World Heritage List in 2000. Zadar's Forum is the most accurate representation of an ancient city due to its authentic layout. It is the largest forum in Croatia and was commissioned by Roman Emperor Augustus.